a true friend. And far more happier is he who finds that true friend in his wife. Welcome back to the series, Voice of a Mother. I'm Shelisa D'Souza, belonging to Alona Parish Youth. And today, we have a father who will be sharing with us how his wife is a pillar of the family and also a wonderful mother to his children. Let's go and see what he has to say. Sir, we are glad to have you today. Can you introduce yourself to us?
Thank you, Shelisa. My name is Joseph Pereira. I am from Kitla, Aldona. And I have my wife and my two boys.
Can you tell us something about your wife?
We have been married for the past 26 years. And I would have a lot of good things to tell about my wife. But to sum up everything, I would like to say that my wife is a very loving woman. She's always a woman who will bring supportive and always joyful. And this is something lovely which I can really appreciate of her.
What are the qualities in her that attract you towards her?
One of the qualities which I would say is she's always smiling. Whatever the circumstances, good times and difficult times, she is always with us with a smile. And this is something very unique which I find in her.
What are the qualities that are identical to Mother Mary and your wife?
I would say that she is very faithful. She is full of concern for each one of us within our family, and she is very loving. And we can feel confidence in her in any moment of our life. We can turn to her, she will be always with us.
How is your wife important to your family and how do you appreciate her in her work?
My wife, she plays a most important role in our family. To support us, to take care of all things within our family. Of course, we share together all whatever the things are there, but she is always there for us, to support us, to accept us. We appreciate her for all that she is doing for us, even without thinking of herself, her self-sacrifice.
In the worst time that your family has faced, how has your wife been supportive to you?
Yeah, as I shared with you, she is always with us, she is always supportive. I remember instance when I was in abroad and I was not keeping good health, and she was frequently calling me, checking about how I was feeling. And not that only, she was always with me, supporting me, saying that nothing is wrong with you. It's a moral support she was giving me. She was expecting, and even she told me, you can resign your job and come back. Enough. So that is the kind of moral support we need. She was always supporting me.
What advice would you give to our fathers?
I would say to all husbands, right? And I would always say to their husbands, love your wife. At times my wife also says something, but the intention behind that is different. Sometimes we misunderstand what they say. So I would advise that we accept their advice and support her when whatever, help her, do whatever she would like to say to us with a good open-mindedness, and be with her.
What advice would you give our youth and children?
When it comes to the children, I've seen my wife always with our boys, after boys, telling them do this, means good things, and don't do that, all that concern, that is also coming out of love and care. And I would say to all our youth and children, every mother will be concerned about each one of you. You must understand the heart of a mother, that in your life no one can take place of a mother, because her heart is full of love and concern for you. And so I would say to all children, listen to your mother, obey her, love her. It's because she is the one who will always support you with good things in your lives.
Thank you, Mr. Joseph Pereira, for your valuable time that you have given to us.
Thank you, Shelisa, for the opportunity you give me, and I appreciate the good things the youth are doing to support, to give pass on our views to our children, to our families, to our moms, to our dads. Thank you once
Thank you very
again.
much.
God bless you all.